Second Sunday, weekend adventure continues. We got second Sunday going on at the ranch, and look at this. Filled the ranch up, full of rigs all over there. The people are gathering. Kevmo's here with his Shimano rig looking awesome. Mark brought all the Bosch rig stuff out. The RC cars. Even JFab's here.
Orange old, like that one.
This is mine.
That one's yours too?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, that was mine. I just built a cage.
Just a little metal one?
Second Sunday, getting ready to roll out. The rigs are queued. Rich Dog, fist bumps. There's a serious nerds. And these guys are getting ready to hit the trail already. We're gonna run over here and see what's going on. Phil Lowe is already through gate number 75 as he is hauling the mail on the pink course. This is our first group that were anxious to get on trail and make it happen. We got the bridges, all sorts of nonsense. It looks like most of the people have cleared out. Trail clog is kind of gotten a little bit better. So I'm gonna run up the fire road here, see what we got. These gates are the end of the third trail, which comes all the way from way back up there. I walked the fire road up there and it took probably 10 minutes to walk up, and we weren't even halfway up the thing yet. So you see the pink trail is still number one. That runs all the way up there. And then it gets to the blue trail somewhere along the way, and then that connects to the yellow trail, and that brings you back through all of this. So Rich Dog, the goat, the professor, Mark and the boys came out here and laid some serious trail out for everybody to enjoy. So way over there are the cows, and these are the RC nerds all the way
up.
This is still trail one.
Trail one.
Pink one goes way to the back down the fire road, and the blue one starts over here. So these guys are getting down it. There's Rich Dog.
Rich Dog 51 from YouTube.
From the YouTube. Check out his YouTube channel if you get a second. Rich Dog 51.
Yeah.
He's got lots of nerd ventures as well. A couple hours into it, everybody's kind of cleared out. A couple of folks have already hit the trails. They're on their way out. The dogs are over there enjoying the day. And Rich Dog and I are about to go hit the first trail. That's all I have. Man, this is a little sketchy. I'm glad I have some high traction shoes. We're only like 5 or 6 gates into this, and we're dropping down into the creek now. There's so much trail to cover that I feel like there's no way for me to get how awesome this is correctly. So we're gonna try a couple camera things. I apologize if this is terrible, but you're gonna get to see it all, so it'll be awesome.
Damn!
Suck.
Suck.
Oh god. The nice thing about wearing muck boots is right there. You can just stand in the water. I gotta kind of run around. Oh God! Just wet lapped myself. Yeah. One hand and there's a bit of mud. Oh, mud's the best.
Look at what you did to my truck.
So dirty.
There's no more water.
There's a truck wash right here we can use. So Rich and I, when we started this process, we decided that we were going to try to not touch the trucks because Rich had a tow cable and a winch. So we're in a situation now where we're trying not to touch the trucks. And Rich's winch is set up with a ground anchor. He's going to pull himself up. He's even got a freewheel on there.
Keep pulling.
So hopefully, now he's going to turn around and he's going to pull me up. So he's backing up, I'm applying a little throttle, and easy peasy beautiful. We're just winching. We're just winching.
No touch truck.
We're playing no touch truck, trying to beat the sunset. You guys can join in if you want.
It's gonna be a long one.
We come out of the woods and this is what we get. Look at how awesome that is. The rock wall of awesomeness. Oh,
Wheels.
all right, I got it.
Got it.
Real steep before it turned down to the upstream.
Yeah.
You're all at the top of the rock section, you roll over, and all the way down to the road. You just roll once, and then it started going faster and faster.
No breakage?
No, I just turned around, drove it back up. Got back on trail. I was shocked. I was waiting for it to fly out of it.
All right.
Rich was ready to winch me out just in case. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it, but we survived. So that is just, what is it? The first 20 gates? That's a lot of nonsense. Everett's gonna join us? A little side hill gate action. You can go easy route and go down to the bottom, but we're not doing that. Ooh, I got like a cattywampus angle here. I feel like this is treacherous. It's much more treacherous than it looks. I'm trying to make sure that I got an angle to get into the hill. Oh, the front end pushed.
Yeah, you want to get there anyway.
Second gear.
Oh.
Oh.
All the way up.
Yeah, you want to pass in on the other side for sure.
Second gear crawling.
Back up and down. This is the first day.